Welcome viewer, I am Murugan. This video tutorial describes how to change Windows 10 Game DVR Captures folder location. Open File Explorer. Click Movies folder. Captures folder is situated under Movies folder. Right-click of the Captures folder, click Properties. Click Location tab. Click Move to change the location of the Captures folder. You wish to create Captures folder in any location. Click Select Folder. Click Apply, then OK. Now Capture folder is moved to your desired location. If you wish to move Capture folder is in default location. Right-click Captures folder, click Properties, click Location tab. Click Restore Default. Captures folder is moved to default location. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.